Feminism is not something we have to be afraid of. Women have had the vote for 100 years, after years of fighting for our rights. So let me ask you, why is it that in the 21st century we cannot accept equal pay? Why is it that in 2018 we do not accept those who are men but want to be women? Why is it that the LGBTQ community is only just being recognised positively in the law? Feminism is the right to be equal. Feminism is the fight to be equal. It is not saying women are better than men. Progress is inevitable. It is slow, and it is the result of tireless, frustrating, and unheralded work. Some may hope that we never get there, but they don't know our strengths. So tell me, what I said, does that make me a feminist, a woman, or just human? Feminism is here to stay. It has been here for over 170 years. Someday, you will have to accept that. Freedom is speech, is mine to keep. So let me say this to you. I am someone who will fight for equal rights. I am someone who will show strength and beauty. I am someone who will look you in the eye and be proud to tell you who I am. So look at me for who I am, not just a feminist. Being a woman and being a feminist does not define me. But feminism is not something we have to be afraid of.